So let's say you're doing an interior design project and you've sent to your client, they're not okay with it, or they want you to do more changes and you don't know what to do. The question is, can you be able to use AI to give you more ideas? So that's what we want to find out today. I have this project here. I have this file on my PC that you can be able to see. This one was done in 2020 using Twinmotion 2019 version 2019, and we want to put it in AI so that we can be able to see whether it will be able to give us some more ideas on doing this kitchen. So I'm going to use clipdrop. It is an AI tool from Stability AI. So I click on it and you can click on try. So the tool that you want to use in this one is called Reimagine XL, and we click on it. We click here open, and we are going to where we have our image. Okay, so this is where I have my images, and I want to choose this image 22, image 52. So you just click on it and you leave it to do its things. Right now it's running. And the question is, will it be able to give us some crazy ideas or some amazing ideas? Let's say if you were to send the ideas to your client, he'll be like, yeah, this one. Then maybe if you're okay with that idea, you could be able now to design it in the CAD software, or maybe you can do it in the rendering software. So let's wait to find out. So far it takes some time doing this, and I think it depends with the speed of your internet. And so far you already have the first image. So this is already the first image auto-generated by AI, and I think it looks pretty amazing, right? I'll probably be able to design this. The second image is also out, and we are waiting for the third one. So it gives you 3 results, and yeah, 3 results as of now. This is the free version. I've not even signed in yet. It's the free version. I'm not sure whether the paid one will give you more options. So you can see this is our original image, and it has given us, this is option 1, you can be able to do this, and option 2 you can be able, wow, option 2 looks amazing, man. I think I like option 2 more, and option 3, wow. So from what you can be able to see, it gives you some cool ideas that you can be able to take into your design software. Then you can be able to design them and send them to your client, and I think I like this one more. So if I had a chance, this one will be the one that I'll be able to download. As of now, I can't download the image. Reason being, you need to pay for it to download the image. You need to pay for this version to use Reimagine XL. If you're using uncrop, then it is free, but if you're using Reimagine, you have to pay for it first. But I like this one more. Yeah, so we have confirmed it. You can be able to use AI to give you more ideas. So see you in the next one. I hope you stay safe, you stay cool, you stay chill. And if you have anything you want us to talk about, of course, you can let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, see you in the next one.